So this is my 4-bit calculator. Well, it's a partial calculator. It only performs addition, subtraction, and multiplication. To start off down here, the far left set of switches right here, these two switches, these determine the operation that will be performed. And these two sets of switches are numeric inputs. And so these can range from 0 to 15. Down here we have our multiplier. We have 4 sets of AND gates feeding into 3 sets of full adders. Up here we have our adder slash subtractor, which consists of an exclusive OR and a full adder. And then on the right we have 4 sets of multiplexers, and then we have LEDs for our output. And so basically every time you power this thing on, it performs all 3 operations at the same time. But these selector bits down here on the far left are what determine which output will be shown on the display. And so right now we have 15 and 15, and we have both of the left 2 switches turned off. And so when we have these 2 switches off, that performs addition. When we have it on, or when we have the right one turned on, it performs multiplication. And then when we have the left one turned on and the right one turned off, it performs subtraction. And so right now, let's just start with 15 plus 15. And we get 30 right here, so you can see. Now let's do 15 times 15. And we get 225. And now for subtraction. And so you might think this is wrong at first because 15 minus 15 should just be 0. But this light being on in the 5th bit is just a natural consequence of the logic. Basically what this 5th bit being lit up indicates is that let's say this number is value A and this number is value B. This 5th bit being on indicates that the value A was greater than or equal to B, to where no borrow was required when performing the operation A minus B. And so our actual result is these 4 bits on the right, which is 0. 15 minus 15 is 0, but no borrow was required, and so we get 1 in the carryout. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Feel free to look at the circuit diagram that I have on my website, and yeah, peace.